Bright Duty. Every student matters.
The rivers of Nagaland. Rivers are also one of the part of natural beauty, and here we are talking about Nagaland's rivers. The rivers in Nagaland flows either into Brahmaputra in the western Assam or Chinven in the eastern Myanmar, Burma. There is only one exception. All rivers that originate on the southern side of the highest vernal mountain range flow neither to Brahmaputra nor to Chinvan rivers in Nagaland. Flow directly to any ocean. They first join other bigger rivers outside the state and then ultimately flow into the Bay of Bengal. The catchment area of rivers of Nagaland that drain into Brahmaputra and the catchment area of rivers that drain into the Chinvan are roughly equal. But one of the interesting differences between the two catchments is that in the case of Brahmaputra catchment, a couple of rivers drain the area and they join Brahmaputra in Assam separately, whereas in the case of Chinvan catchment, all the tributaries join together and finally run into the Chinvan. That means they all join Chinvan like this, and from Brahmaputra, like this is Brahmaputra, these are the tributaries, and again they are meeting there. Now, rivers that flow into Brahmaputra. First is your Dhansiri River. Dhansiri River originates from Lyaiseng Peak of Nagaland. Dhansiri flows through the southwestern part of the state through Rana Saghwar, Dimapur plains of Dimapur district. Main tributaries are river the Zua River and Dipu River. Dhansiri River also flows into Brahmaputra, and Dhansiri forms a boundary between Karbi Anglong, Assam and Nagaland. And the two important areas, the Dhansiri Reserve Forest and Intanki National Park, are located on each side of the Dhansiri River. River that flow into Brahmaputra. Diku River. Diku River originates from Nuroto Hill area in Zunbeto district. It flows across the Mongchong and the Longleng district. Diku River forms a boundary between Mongchong and Sunok district. Main tributaries of Diku River are Yangoi or Soang district. Nanong is the Langpong range in the Mokchang district, and Diku River is one of the tributaries that flows into Brahmaputra River. Now the Dayong River. Dayong River is the longest and the biggest river of Nagaland. Dayong hydrochloric power plant of capacity 75 megawatt is built on Dayong River. Dayong River originates from the Jokafu Hill near the southern slopes of Mao area in Manipur and moves southwest direction passing through Kohima district and flows northward into Zunbeto and Woka district. Dayong River flows into Dhansiri in Sibsagar district of Assam, which finally drains into Brahmaputra. The main tributaries of the Dayong rivers are Chubi River, which flows from Mongchong area, Najau River originating from Narema area of Kohima district and flows through Meopang in Siam area. Joe, Toulon and Tishi are also other minor tributaries of Dayong. And Dayong River originates from Angami area and is called Jiusu or Zolo. And Dayong River also forms a natural boundary line between the Lothia area, Woka district and the Sima area, Zunbeto district. Now the Tezo River. It runs through northeast direction and flows through Zunbeto and Pek districts of Nagaland. Zio River flows into Chinvan River of Myanmar. And main tributary of Zio River are Zumki Line. Zumki rivers join Tezo and below Kebre. Milak River. It runs through Mokchong district and main tributary of Milak River is Soro. Zongi River. It is the biggest tributary flows into Tezo River. Zungi River originates from northeastern part of Changong Forest in the south of Teku and flows in south towards Norklak, Shamator, Fire and finally joins Tezo below Kipwire. Now Kete River. It originates from the areas of Metsvia, Zomkedima, areas of Dimapur. It flows into Dhansiri. Shade River forms boundary between Nagaland and Assam. Tapi, it originates from non-district. Sidzo River formed from small streams into Mao Gate and Plateau areas, Guzu River, Rosma village and Kisdoma village in Kohima. Next is your Miki River. Miki River is also called the River of Salt located at Sangpura village, Kipaya. The Sangpure village prepares salt cakes from the water, and you should note in some sources the river name is also called Miki. I would say it was a very beautiful journey of rivers and mountains of Nagaland. We have gone through different phases, different ranges, different hills of Nagaland. Now, at the end, I would say India needs to wake up, safeguard, and protect the ecology of our mountain ranges and the rivers that we have been abundantly blessed with. These ranges are the principal ecoranges of our country, and long term measures need to be put in place to ensure they remain. Our mountains, forests, and rivers have for long sustained a massive population. Without these natural sources, much of India would have been a cold and arid landscape. So, at the end, I would say we all must save our nature. This is the actual beauty of our country, and these resources are actually required to save this world. Thank you.